One of the unique features at Preppers Post is the ability to post an article type post. An article type post is used when the post that you want to put up includes more text than just 150 characters for a caption. A good example of that is if you come across an article that has more text than images, or maybe no images. For example, we're here at American Networking to Survive.org, and they have this excellent article on what are the survival rules of three. So I'd like to share this article with the rest of the Preppers Post community. To do so, I'm going to copy that title. Now what I did is I clicked on Post an Article. You can see that we're posting an article here. The caption, I can make a caption which is a comment type caption regarding this post, or in this case, I'm going to paste the title itself. What are the survival rules of three? The next thing I could do is add an image, but this particular article doesn't have an image that we could include in here, so I'm going to leave that out. That's an option. Website link. Website link, as you know, is I consider to be one of the most important parts of any post. The premise for prepperspost.com is preppers sharing with preppers. As I find content that I like and post at Preppers Post, if I include the link to the site that I found it, that other preppers in the future will always be able to find that same site and that same article. So to include that link, I'm going to copy the URL, the internet address, right-click, and paste that in there. And there is the URL. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add some of the article that's there. And so I'm going to take, I'm going to take this much of the article, highlight it, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it in the article section. Now, one of the things that I like to do when I post an article or text from somebody else's website is to include the following statement. Read full article. And then I like to include the main URL. And just to dress it up a little bit, I'm going to give it a capital, America's Networking. This is not required, but I like to do it. I like to give much credit where much credit is due. And so when somebody's reading this article, they'll know exactly what website this came from. That's in addition to giving the credit where credit is due on the website link. Okay, the last thing I want to do is, this is a good idea. I like that. I'm going to add that to my stockpile collection. And this is going to be about survival. So I'm going to put it under the topic of survival. And I think I might even add a how-to on this one. All right, so to recap, we gave it a caption. We had the option of uploading an image. We chose not to upload one this time. The more important part is that we gave a link back to the site where we found it. Credit where credit is due. We included the portion of the text, and we added this little read full article at so users can see it. You'll see that once we post it. And we selected stockpiles and the appropriate topics. Now let's post it. That article is posted. Here it is. What are the survival rules of three? And you can see here, read full article at America's Networking to Survive.org. If they click on that, they'll be taken to the large version of it. And when they click on this link here, they're taken directly back to that site. That's how you post a article type post. The same similar thing could be done, but instead of taking an article from somebody's website, if you have an original article that you've written, this is a great use of this also. Instead of somebody else's article, you write it there, put it in there. Of course, there wouldn't be a URL link, and if you had an image that was appropriate, you could also upload it there. Enjoy!